Deep within the tangled forests of Africa, a chimpanzee peels a banana. Across the globe, a human sips coffee, scrolling through their phone. Two seemingly different worlds. Yet, beneath the surface, a remarkable kinship unfolds. Humans and chimpanzees share an astonishing 98.8% similarity in their DNA, the blueprint of life. We are family, linked by a shared ancestor who roamed the earth millions of years ago. But what about that 1.2% difference? What subtle changes in our genetic code could account for such dramatic differences in appearance, behavior, and intelligence? The answer, in part, lies in the fascinating world of mutations. These tiny alterations in DNA, often occurring by chance, are the driving force behind the diversity of life we see today. Like an artist adding a splash of color to a canvas, mutations introduce variations into the genetic code, shaping the tapestry of life over eons. Imagine DNA as a vast library, its shelves stacked with volumes of genetic information. Each gene within this library acts as a blueprint, guiding the production of proteins that carry out essential tasks in our bodies. Mutations are like typos in these blueprints. Sometimes a single letter is changed, deleted, or inserted, altering the instructions encoded within. These seemingly small errors can have profound effects. A single mutation can alter the shape of a protein, change its function, or even silence a gene entirely. These changes can manifest in a myriad of ways, from the color of our eyes to our susceptibility to certain diseases. Mutations can arise in several ways. Sometimes errors occur during DNA replication, the process by which cells make copies of their DNA. Imagine a scribe meticulously copying a scroll, only to accidentally skip a word or add an extra letter. Similarly, DNA replication machinery, while incredibly accurate, is not immune to the occasional mistake. External factors can also play a role. Exposure to certain chemicals, radiation, or even sunlight can damage DNA, leading to mutations. These environmental agents are known as mutagens. Think of them as rogue elements that disrupt the delicate balance of our genetic library. Our cells, however, are not defenseless against these genetic assaults. Sophisticated DNA repair mechanisms constantly scan our genome for errors, diligently fixing them like skilled mechanics. But even the most skilled mechanic can miss a flaw, and some mutations slip through the cracks, becoming a permanent part of our genetic makeup. Not all mutations are created equal. Some, like harmful typos in a vital instruction manual, can lead to disease or dysfunction. Others, however, are neutral, like a misspelled word on a weathered sign, having little to no impact on our well-being. And then there are the rare but remarkable beneficial mutations. These genetic alterations, like a stroke of genius by the cosmic artist, can provide an advantage in the struggle for survival. They might enhance an organism's ability to find food, resist disease, or attract mates. Consider the peppered moth of England. During the Industrial Revolution, a mutation resulted in a darker form of the moth. This darker pigmentation provided camouflage against soot-covered trees, giving the mutated moths a survival advantage in polluted environments. This example beautifully illustrates how beneficial mutations, though rare, are the fuel that drives evolution, allowing species to adapt and thrive in a constantly changing world. The story of life on Earth is a testament to the power of these tiny changes. Mutations, those seemingly insignificant typos in our genetic code, have sculpted the incredible diversity of life over millions of years, from single-celled organisms to the complex tapestry of plants and animals that grace our planet today. It is a story still being written, with each new generation carrying within it the potential for change, for better or worse, shaping the future of life as we know it.